Perfect.
So next question, it's about little bit linked with MySQL too. I read your latest blog post about Percona Everest, and especially
Yes.
the latest product of Percona, which is now in beta state. What is Percona Everest, and why is Kubernetes involved in this?
I think everyone knows Percona for the open source tools like Percona Toolkit, uh, Percona for MySQL, of Percona MongoDB, and now Postgres. Like we provide an extra layer of features for the community, full open source. So extra backup and PMM, those are very famous tools as well. And now Percona is adding Percona Everest. The idea of Percona with this tool is to simplify your database management. So the idea is, especially for startups where you cannot have dedicated people, for example, DBAs, this is where Percona Everest comes in handy because it will help you deploy, maintain, do the backups, monitoring, all for you. So we are trying to give back the power for the people that are thinking on the business, right? So we don't want people spending time on technical stuff. And this is what Percona Everest and Kubernetes will help you. Like we have our operators for Postgres, Mongo, and MySQL. So through a simplified interface, you can deploy an instance with high availability, with backup in place, with monitoring. So you don't have to expend time on these extra activities, so you can focus on your business. This is the intent of the Percona Everest tool.
Yeah, I was reading your blog post. I also found steps how to install Percona
Yes.
Everest.
Yeah.
Easy steps, right? Using the operators.
Yeah. The tool again, like for those, like the tool is still on beta, so there are a lot of things to go, and Percona is planning to deliver. So it's a long term that we are thinking about. But it is nice to see that you can already deploy instance very easily in the interface with like a couple of clicks, very similar to what Windows offers. Next, and install.
Yes.
So if everyone is looking to test something, I think it's good to see, and we are open to receive feedbacks. Including me, already reported some feature requests and some bugs that I found. So any piece of recommendation or advice is very welcome.
Yeah, that is what I most like from Percona Everest also, that you can do it just with single clicks and start to do it what you want to do, right? For your databases.
Yes.
I want to have my database and start to play with my database in a Kubernetes cluster, right? MongoDB, igual, Postgres. That's nice. Okay.
I think the good thing to mention about Kubernetes, why we chose this platform, is to avoid vendor lock-in, right? So you are not bound by, for example, Mongo Atlas, or you are specifically over AWS. You can have your Kubernetes cluster running on multi-cloud, so you have high availability from different clouds. If someone rises the costs, like I don't want AWS anymore because it's too expensive, it's easy for the company to change the platform, and it's transparent for Everest and our operators.
Yeah, that's a big advantage for people who want to use Percona Everest.
Yes.